In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language and region settings in Google Calendar. Whether you're moving to a new country, learning a new language, or simply need to adjust the way dates and times are displayed, these changes can make your Google Calendar more intuitive for your personal needs. First, you'll need to open Google Calendar on your computer. Once you have it open, pay attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon there. This is your gateway to all the settings you need to customize your calendar. Click on this gear icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can make all the necessary adjustments. Now that you're in the Settings menu, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll find a section labeled Language and Region. This is where you can tailor the calendar to match your preferences. Once you're in the Language and Region area, there will be a drop-down menu next to the language option. Click on this menu and you'll see a list of available languages. Choose the one that you prefer. As soon as you make your selection, Google Calendar will instantly refresh and display everything in your chosen language. Also, while you're in the Language and Region section, you might want to take a look at the region settings. Though this step is optional, changing your region can significantly affect how your calendar looks and feels. For instance, the region setting adjusts date formats, time formats, and even the first day of your week. If you're interested in having Monday as the start of your week instead of Sunday, you might want to consider setting your region to United Kingdom. It's little changes like these that can streamline your experience and ensure it fits your daily life or work schedule. And that's it! With just a few clicks, you've customized your Google Calendar to better suit your needs. Adjusting these settings can make a world of difference in how you interact with your calendar, and now you have the knowledge to fine-tune these details whenever necessary. Whether it's for professional purposes or personal convenience, having your calendar in the right language and region can make organizing your life just a little bit easier. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you get the most out of Google Calendar. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of your digital tools.